Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing another Minecraft command block tutorial, and today our tutorial is going to be how to make a custom boss fight in Minecraft. Right, this boss fight I'm going to make is very simple, and I'm not going to add any like phases, like custom animations to it, because whilst that would be pretty cool, um, it will take quite a lot of time, and if you want it, then you can let me know down in the comments below, and I can make a part 2 where I revamp this boss to be even cooler. So, without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you're going to want to get yourself a command block, of course, like this. Now, you have to decide on what type of boss you're going to do. Now, personally, I'm going to make a boss that's out of a husk, because it can survive in daylight, and it's also just, quite annoying to fight, I guess. You can do anything you want. I've made tons of bosses before, like in my Skygen. I've got many different bosses, like a stray, a zombie, creeper boss even. But we're gonna stick to the plain basic husk for now. Right, so first of all, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a husk. Right, so we're gonna do summon husk tilde tilde tilde, and now we're going to want to name this husk. You don't have to, of course, but personally I'm going to name it. And now how do we name the husk? Well, you do this and you put a name whatever you want. Like you put, I don't know, Gertrude, right? That's not spelled Gertrude. Yeah, Gertrude. And hold up, sorry. There you go. You can summon the husk Gertrude like that. That's cool and all, but I personally don't like how he's got a white name like that. I don't like that. So what we can do instead is we can use this thing, which I don't really know the proper name for it, but what I call it is a squiggly. And what you do, you can just put it in there, and you can change the color to whatever you want. For example, I'm gonna make it dark red, so I'm gonna make mine squiggly 4 and squiggly L to make it bold and dark red, and I'm gonna call it boss. Right, there we go. See, way cooler. Right, now what we're gonna want to do is we're going to want to equip him with armor. Now what you would normally want to do is, put the Spencer down and just equip him with armor like that. What you could also do is equip him with commands using the replace item commands like that. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to keep it quite simple. I'm going to equip him with the dispenser method, so it's, a bit easier to do and way less commands. So first of all, we're going to get some armor. You can see, just some plain diamond armor. Gotta enchant it. Don't know, like brought protection. I don't know, 10. Yeah, why not? Tap 10, 10, and then put 10. I am using the Hack Client Orion to do this to get some custom enchantments. If you want to enchant it normally, just gotta do slash enchant. Oh, sorry, slash enchant your name and then whatever enchant you want. It can't go up to levels like this, for example, like protection 10. Anyway, um, we're actually gonna quickly get this and do this. Hold up. It's gonna. Oops. We're just gonna very quickly kill this husk because it's unnecessary, of course. Yeah, we're gonna give our boss these items. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get the dispenser. There we go. Lever, and then I don't know, some random block. Let's do glass. Why not? Like that. And then in here, I'm gonna put that down. All the items aside. Lever on top. And to get the boss inside of this, we're just gonna do this quick commands, which I'm gonna show you how to do. TP at E type equals husk tilde 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 like that. It's gonna teleport him there. I'm gonna equip him the armor by flicking the lever. Oh, sorry, I didn't even place the lever yet, to be fair. There we go. And now our boss is fully equipped with the armor and sword. So now we're actually going to get down to coding it. So with your command block, what we're going to do is just very quickly, and we're going to do like a TP method, right? We're going to want to announce this boss, so it's like way cooler. So what we're going to do is we're going to do like this: title, at a title, and then I don't know, like reds, boss spawned, boss spawned like that. We're actually gonna get chain command block like this. So you get impulse, right? So the normal orange command block, and then he switch chain, and we're gonna make it always has to be always active. Every single chain command block has to be always active. We're personally gonna make it to conditional, which essentially conditional means that it only executes after the first one happens. And we're gonna do title at a subtitle. I don't know honestly. Let's just do like quickly V. Um, rare. Prepare to fight. You know, something like that. Bit interesting. And we're actually gonna add a custom sound to this as well. I don't think you'll be able to hear it though, but because of my OBS recording. But we're gonna do play sounds at a raid.horn, right? Which essentially is gonna play like the you know when you're in a raid and it has like the brr brr brr, brr, it's gonna play that sound. That's really cool. Alright. And then we're actually gonna add some even like cooler stuff. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add some camera shake. So we're gonna do camera shake add positional 1 1 is add a positional 1 1, which is basically make the camera shake like this, like that. If I run it in here and I show you. Actually, wait, no, I did it wrong. Is that that? Yeah, see? Pretty cool. I'm going to quickly edit this to make it correct. Okay. And then I'm going to put this on a little delay, like 5 ticks. On TP at E type equals husk. And then let's say we're going to make our fight here. And we're going to mark the start of the fight on the stand block. We're going to get the coordinates of this, which if you're curious how you copy coordinates, there's a little thing in settings we can do that with. We're going to get the coordinates there, pull it in there. So far, what's going to happen, oh sorry, what's going to happen is the husk is going to get teleported here, the sound's going to play, it's going to let text on the screen, the camera's going to shake a little bit, and that's like cool. And well, yeah, that's essentially it. It's not really much else you can do. If I show you it looks like. Wait, what? Oh, my bad. You don't actually do that. You put a after that. Apologies. Yeah, see, really cool. I'm just gonna put him back for now. Now, this is essentially the end of the boss, but you can add some things to the boss, make him cooler. So what we're actually gonna do, Simon? We're gonna get it repeating, so blocks have to repeat. Always active, of course. And then we're gonna run this. I'm gonna do execute at e type equals husk run particle Minecraft nrods tilde. And that's actually gonna make it tilde negative one there. And this is gonna essentially spawn an nrod particle below his feet constantly. If I did it right, you should be able to see it already. Yeah, it should. If I like punch you with it. Yeah, see, like a little thing there. I think it'll be more visible if I change it like this. Like that. Yeah, see, like a little emerald there. That's pretty cool in my opinion. Okay. So, we've got a boss set up and everything. But now, on this thing a bit cooler. we're actually going to give our character some armor and tools to fight this boss and pre-equip it instead of having to do it yourself with commands, of course. So we're going to start. I'm going to put our thing here actually so we can execute at the same time as this. I'm going to move this out of the way. There we go. I'm going to start. Where is it? Alright. Do. Replace item entity at a slot.weapon. Wait, no, sorry, what am I doing? Slots, my gosh, slot dot weapon dot main hands 1, and then, I don't know, diamond underscore swords, and get command block, of course, turn this on, and then we're going to do, enchants at a sharpness 5, which is essentially what's going to do. It's going to give us, if I show it to you right now, see it's going to replace it with a diamond sword, and it enchants it, as you can see. It takes a bit of time to register, but it does happen, trust me. Right, next one. So we're going to do the whole body, so every single piece. And start with replace item entity at a slot dot armor dot head, which is the helmet piece, with, I don't know, netherite underscore helmet. Wait, just put the 1 there, my bad. Right. Let's do another one. Replace item entity at a slot dot armor dot chest, which is the chest plate, obviously. 1 netherite underscore chest plate. Next one. Place item entity at a slot dot armor dot, I think it's legs, yes, legs. 1 netherite leggings. I don't think it's spelled leggings like that. Should be. Yeah, it is. And then one more time, place item entity at a slot dot armor dot legs. Oh, sorry, it's armor dot feet. 1 netherite underscore boots. And what it's going to do, give us a full set of netherite armor with an enchant diamond sword of sharpness 5. And that's really it. What you're also going to do is we're going to give our player a shield. So replace item. Oh, sorry. Replace item entity at a slot dot weapon dot offhands 1 shield. And one more thing we're going to do as well is TP at a right here. So like there. Copy the coordinates like that. And yes, really it. And you know, just to make sure, I'm gonna do game mode S at A. So all this is gonna spawn the boss, pull him there, equip you with the armor, teleport you there, give you the sharp 5 diamond swords, give you a shield, and yeah, if I test it out, unless anything else we can really do, no, not really. That's really it. I'm gonna test it out. So like that. See, win survival now instantly. I was gonna fight this guy. He's got a lot of health, obviously, because I gave him protection, 10 armor. Yeah, easy kill. So if there's anything else you want me to do with the boss commands, like if you want me to make a proper boss fight with a health bar and waves, you know, because I've done that before, so I could do it if you want me to. Let me know. But yeah, I think this is gonna be the end of the video. think it's quite a short one. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you'd like more. And yeah, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.